Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Here, welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this new Wmark hair clipper with the model number NG801. So, is this new hair clipper from Wmark a good one or a bad one? The last two Wmark was not good for me. Now I got another one. So, stay tuned. This is the box. Got some beatings already, just a little bit. Got three different colors: yellow, white and red, and yellow and green. So, got charging stand, which is good. And it's written got 7,000 RPM, 3 hours charging time, and 240 minutes operating time. Sounds good. Okay. So I guess Wmark will be very hungry with me with the last two machines that I unboxed, which I found not that good. This one, I don't know. Okay, inside you got the manual already. Okay, looks good. This clipper looks good. Inside the box you got charging stand from Wmark also. Okay, and it's a very lightweight one. And you got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 guide combs. Okay, this is the ones you get. And you got extra cutter blade. This one comes with it, but I changed it. So, okay, you got a little brush and a charging cable. So it's somehow totally different charging cable. So you got the USB Type C. It's totally different. Two cables comes out, or three, no, two comes out like this, and one comes out the other way. See that? So, is this clipper good or not? So I was changing it. This one comes with it also. So it looks good now. Got a fade blade, also with Wmark logo. See that? And this is a staggered tooth cutter blade. LCD display. So, floating lever. So now let's make a sound check. Okay, the question now again is, this is another Wmark hair clipper. Is it good or not? For me, this clipper is good. This clipper is good. So if you want to buy, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this hair clipper. And yo, that's it, and peace.